Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xc00000i9. So how we can fix it? First you can try is just to open your file manager, open my computer. So just choose this PC and here you choose your system disk, right click on it and choose properties. And here you choose tools and here you click on check. So just choose scan drive, so system will automatically check all the files and find some corrupting files, some errors, some temporary files, and you will have a checklist and you will choose what files you want to delete, some temporary files, unused files, and old files, unnecessary. So you just choose them and delete. So it can fix your error. So it's the first way. If it doesn't help you, so just wait after it will finish. Second way, if it doesn't help you, you can also go to search and write here programs. Here you can see control panel app. Just click on it and choose programs and features. So where it is in first column, so just click on it, programs and features, and you just need to sort all files by installed by date, when it was installed, and you can have this error because some of app is not good installed, so installed with some corrupting files or errors, and you can just uninstall it and install again. So you must remember, you must find by date here what latest program can cause this error, and also it can be caused by latest updates. So you just go to latest updates, and if it after you update it your system, you just choose here latest updates and just delete them from your computer. So just choose the latest update, right click on it and choose uninstall. So after you do it, just restart your computer, and I hope you will fix your error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.